Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for another video tutorial. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that today only we have free shipping on orders of $75 or more. So today's Thursday, December 15th. If you're watching on Friday, you have already missed it. So if you don't want to miss out on future specials, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter. I send out all the information early and then the day of. So I don't want you to miss out, but I will post a link below if you'd like to place an order today and earn free shipping. And make sure you use the December host code that's included. And I'll send you a thank you card. All right. So today I'm going to do a gift card holder. I had a good friend, Elaine, this is for you, Elaine, ask me if I would do some gift card holders on the video. And I wanted to do some really quick, very easy gift card holders that don't require any dies, any punches. All you need is a paper cutter and something to score with. So we're going to start out with the card today. So you're going to need a half a sheet of green cardstock, whatever cardstock color you have, but I'm using shaded spruce. And then we're going to score this. Now you can use your paper trimmer or you can use a scoring tool. I like to use my Simply Scored tool. And we are going to score this at 4 1/4, 4 7/8, 5 1/2, 6 1/8, and 6 3/4. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 score lines. And I will post the measurements and the scoring measurements on my blog with the link below. So that's all the scoring we're going to do. And this is our card base. So let me show you how we're going to make this. So we're going to start with this first score line. These are both the same size, so it doesn't matter which side you start from. I'm going to fold it in. I fold it back, in, back, and in. So just accordion style. Okay. Then let's give all these a good crease on the score lines. We'll do the back here. Okay. So now what we have basically is a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card front. And it's a little smaller than our normal 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, but this fits in the envelopes just fine. So what we're going to do is, this is kind of a pop-up gift card holder. You're going to take some glue or tear and tape. I like to use tear and tape. And we're going to open up the center section and just put it right on either end, just like that. Whoop. And peel it off. And put these together. Give them a good pinch. Now we're going to turn it over on the back. And you see these are open. We're going to glue or adhere these two sections together. All right, peel that off and just squish that together. Peel that one and close that up. So the back, when you have your adhesive, should be glued together and flat like that, and then the inside has this fun little pop-up section. So this is what's going to hold your gift card. It just goes in right like that. Then when they open the card, that little gift card pops out. Isn't that cute? And it's so easy. Okay, so we're going to use a piece of 4 by 4, basic white or very vanilla, whatever card goes with the front. That's going to go on the inside. We'll stamp that in a minute. And then we're going to decorate the outside. All right, so I'm going to take a 4 by 4 of Real Red, and we're going to just stick this on the front. This is all very quick and easy, simple stamping. So you can make a bunch of these. You don't need any special tools. I'm going to fold that down one more time, get that in there. Okay. So this is the front. It's 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, so it will layer on that red. And I am going to use the Spruced Up stamp set. There are dies, but they are sold out now. I'm not using anything that's sold out, so we're just using the stamp set, which is super cute just by itself. So you don't have to have the dies to use the stamp set. All right, let's take some shaded spruce and real red. Those are the colors we're using. And I have the 2 Christmas trees. So I have this larger one, and then I have the smaller one with the little lines. And I'm going to stamp a couple trees. But before I do, I want to have a little snow, like a snow bank. So you can use glitter paper, you can use the white flocked paper, you can use whatever you want to use. And I'm going to cut a little hill just to make it fun. And this is just 3 3/4 by 1 1/2, and you can actually get enough for 2. You can make 2 hills to use on a second card. And this will be my snowy hill on the bottom. So I'm just going to hold that there for a second so that can kind of help with my tree placement. All right, I want my stem behind the hill. So I'm going to put it right about here. All right, so we have 1 tree. Let's see, that goes well. I might trim it down a little bit, but I think that's okay. And then we're gonna stamp this other tree right next to it. Okay, and we're done with green. Let's see. I think that's okay. I think I'm going to just trim my hill a little bit. I made my trees down a little bit lower. I want to see the trunk, so that will work perfectly. We're just glue this down right here. Okay, we're going to stamp a sentiment, and I've just grabbed a half inch strip, a scrap. I have tons of these scraps that are a 1/2 inch on the white. This stamp set has a perfect sentiment for gift cards. It says, whatever brings you happiness, may it be yours this season. And isn't that perfect for a gift card? I just love that sentiment. Okay, so we're going to do on the front, whatever brings you happiness. And then on the inside, we're going to stamp, may it be yours this season. Hopefully that's straight. Isn't that cute? Perfect. Okay. I got this over, and I'm just going to trim that edge. It's just slightly bigger. And we'll put this down on the front. And this opens from the top, not from the side, so make sure you glue it down the right way. Okay, I'm just going to flag the ends and pop this up with a couple dimensionals. I'm just using the mini dimensionals. I'm just going to pop it up right there. Doesn't have to be fancy, but we do need to bling it up. So I'm going to use my red rhinestones because these are my favorite, and you get a bazillion of them in a packet. I'm just going to put one on top of each tree. Isn't that cute? And if you want to add more or decorate more, you absolutely can. My goal today is quick and easy. And I'm just going to glue the sentiment on the inside, and there's plenty of room to write. If you want to stamp something else, you can. Let's just go ahead and stamp maybe this little tree one more time. I'm going to have him just coming off the paper right there. Oh, so cute. So, so cute. I don't, I never put embellishments on the inside because it will it'll kind of mess up your paper. You know, you're going to close and then there's going to be like a little spot right there from the rhinestones. So I don't normally embellish the inside. So we can just stamp a cute little red star right on top of our tree like that. Then you're done. You put your gift card right in there. If you want to add Wink of Stella, you can. And that gift card's like the perfect color too. And there you go. Super sweet and simple. Now I have another snowbank, and I can make another one of these. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick and cute gift card holder. I'll have a couple more for you this week, and just make sure to order if you want to get free shipping. Today is the day. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by. I will see you next time.